want to do here is to have ChatGPT provide feedback on one of my students' recordings. What I'd like you to do is to provide my student with some feedback on her speaking in English.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. How would you like to do this? Would you like to share a recording of your student speaking, or perhaps you can tell me about a specific area they need feedback on?
I think it's a very simple recording. I wonder if it could be made a little bit more sophisticated
Got it.
for
Please go ahead and
pre-intermediate.
share the recording, and I'll provide some feedback on it.
My flat is very, very beautiful. I think that the decoration must have different colors. I don't like an only color for a house. So my bedroom is pink. The kitchen is blue. The bedroom of unmated is orange. The water close is green, and uh, the living is red, and the space for the table is mm, is is, is also pink, but more strong. And I am very happy in my house.
Thanks for sharing the recording. Your student did a great job. Here are a few pointers for improvement. 1. Vocabulary and word choice. The use of the word must might be a bit strong here. Should or needs to might sound more natural. 2. Pronunciation. Overall, the pronunciation is clear, but practicing specific sounds, especially with words like decoration and color, might help. 3. Grammar. The sentence, "the water is green," seems out of place. It might be a mix-up of words. Also, more strong should be stronger. 4. Fluency. The speech is fluent, but try varying sentence lengths and using more complex structures for added depth. Overall, it's a well-structured and coherent description. Encourage your student to keep practicing, focusing on these areas for even greater improvement.
Could you make a more coherent version of what my student said?
Of course, here's a more coherent version of the recording. My flat is very beautiful. Like, I think the decoration should have different colors. I don't like just one color for the whole house. So my bedroom is pink, the kitchen is blue, and the bathroom is orange. The walls are green, the living room is red, and the dining area is also pink, but a stronger shade. I am very happy in my house. This version corrects a few grammar issues and ensures all ideas flow smoothly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you need any more help, feel free to ask.
Okay, so I've touched on the red X on the right-hand side at the bottom, so I can have a look at the more coherent version. Let's just listen to this one with read aloud.
Of course. Here's a more coherent version of the recording. My flat is very beautiful. I think the decoration should have different colors. I don't like just one color for the whole house. So, my bedroom is pink, the kitchen is blue, and the bathroom is orange. The walls are green, the living room is red, and the dining area is also pink, but a stronger shade. I am very happy in my house. This version corrects a few grammar issues and ensures all ideas flow smoothly.
I think you can see that a student might benefit from using the screen recording when they're doing this activity with ChatGPT. The student's recording is going to be something she can listen to, and she can perhaps repeat the task, possibly by first reading the more coherent version and then saying that in her own words. Okay, I hope that was useful.